Oh, God love her. Okay, I'll open it. Just a minute. Look over here. Look. Look at Mama. Got the back of your head. Oh. Here, Daddy, I'll help you here. Here, take the camera, sweetheart. Let me help you. Go back a little bit, sister. Let's see what Mama can get into this. Things have gotten so difficult now. You just don't.
Here you go.
Thank you, sweetie. I'll just try it out with the toy. Turn around, look at Daddy.
What you get, baby? Go see it.
Hello, Miss Emily. They've really got me in here good, Miss Emily. Mom's going to try to get it out as fast as she can. Over there and tell Daddy how much you love you. I love you, Daddy.
Be careful.
No. Oh, I cut it. You gotta be patient, sister. It takes you more time to get this thing undone than it does to buy the present. Isn't it something? My little county. This is Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, wow. She's pretty. What's her name?
Alice.
Yeah, her name's Alice.
Oh,
Hey, she's got, look, she's got the same color hair you got. Blonde hair, just like you.
Hey, Marty.
Can she talk?
No, she don't talk.
Hey, my Granny can talk.
Well, her baby don't talk.
Hi, Emily.
Oh, no, she does. Daddy can make her talk. Look at this, isn't this cute?
Happy birthday, Emily. Happy birthday.
Princesses.
Happy birthday, Emily.
Princesses.
Hi.